Hi, I'm Six. Welcome to Happy House Husbands.
Cooking with Six in 66 seconds. Ole!
Here we go. Simply yummy, juicy octopusy salad. What do we need? This alien, an octopus. Oh, oops. That's not yummy at all. That's better. What we really need is pre-cooked chunky tentacles. No, not testicles, tentacles. Makes it easy. Because cooking octopus is a little tricky, and that's for a separate video. We also need red bell pepper and sweet Italian peppers. First, let's clean it. Clean the peppers. Just wash it, rub the skin. I would leave it in water for a little while. As my old professor used to say, the illusion is the solution to pollution. Next, cut it. Cut them all into bite-sized pieces. If your pre-cooked pulpo or octopus tentacles are frozen, just warm it up to melt the frozen liquids. Next, cook it. And here, you don't have to. Yay! Now all we have to do is just mix it. Add whatever you want. Make it colorful. Add onion, add salt, black pepper, olive oil, lemon, vinagre de Jerez, or any vinegar of your choice. How much? According to your taste. Mix well. And that's it. Voila! Makes for a happy wife. And you know what they say, right? Happy wife, happy life. I'm not sure about the kids, though. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.